Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are talking about the plexus, and more precisely we are talking about the brachial plexus. First of all, this is very much important to know what is plexus. So plexus, as per definition, branching network of vessels and nerves is called plexus. Branching network of nerves and vessels is called plexus. And when we are talking about nerve plexus, so we will say branching network of intersecting nerves. Okay, so roundabout there are 5 plexes or plexus: cervical plexus, brachial plexus, lumbar plexus, sacral plexus, and coccygeal plexus. So today we are talking about the brachial plexus. We will have the diagram of brachial plexus. So it is important to know that what is the function of brachial plexus. Brachial plexus involves the nerves of chest, shoulder, arms and hands. So now I am going to draw brachial plexus. So the root values are C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Okay, these are the root values. So I am going to tell you in a very interesting manner that how can we memorize this all plexus. So there are roots, trunk and divisions, cords and branches. Okay, so you can have a mnemonic. What's a mnemonic? That we can say that Rana, Tahir, dives and catches ball. So this is about the cricket, no? Rana, Tahir dives and catches the ball. And when we are talking about some more interesting about this mnemonic, we will say Ravina Tandon drinks cool beer. What is that? Ravina, Indian actress, Tandon drinks cool beer. So we will be talking what are the branch values. Branch values are C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. So C5 and C6 are friends. They are going to give trunk. There is upper trunk. And C7 is isolated. It is going to give medial trunk or middle trunk. Okay. And C7 and C8, they are also friends. They are going to give you lower trunk. Okay. After that, we are going to have more divisions. Primarily, we had roots and then trunks, and then we have divisions. Divisions are ventral or anterior divisions and dorsal or posterior divisions. Okay, same here, ventral or anterior divisions and dorsal or posterior divisions. Okay, and then after same in the lower trunk, there is ventral division and dorsal division. Ventral division or anterior division, dorsal division or posterior division. So all the anterior divisions, anterior or ventral divisions of middle and upper trunk and medial trunk. So when we are talking about the cords and the ventral or anterior of upper trunk or medial trunk, they are going to form lateral cord. Okay, anterior devian, ventral of upper and medial trunk, they are going to form lateral cord, and anterior devian of lower trunk is going to form medial cord. Okay, medial cord. And all the posterior devians, this is posterior devian, this is posterior devian, and this is posterior devian, they are going to form posterior cord. Have you got that? We were talking about primarily we talked about that root values, and then the trunk, and then the divisions, and now we have concluded till cords. Now we are going to have branches. What are the branches of lateral cord, medial cord, and posterior cord? The branches have the mnemonic. The branches of lateral cord have mnemonic LML, LML, and the mnemonic for medial cord is MU. Okay, so this is medial cord, and the branches for posterior cord are ultra. What are they? They are ultra. So when we are talking about the branches LML, so L is lateral pectoral nerve, lateral pectoral nerve, and the second is muscular cutaneous nerve. M for muscular cutaneous nerve, and L, that is for lateral root of medial nerve, lateral root of medial nerve. L for lateral root of medial nerve. Okay, so when we are talking about the branches of medial cord, so we have medial pectoral nerve. M for medial pectoral nerve, pectoral nerve, and the second M is, that is for medial root of medial nerve. Medial root of here that was lateral root of medial nerve, and medial cord has the branch that is medial root of medial nerve. Okay, so the third M signifies medial cutaneous nerve of arm. Medial cutaneous nerves of arms, and the last M number 4 is medial cutaneous nerve of hand, and U is that for ulnar nerve. So the branches of posterior cord I am going to discuss. ULTRA, ultra. Ultra, that is U for upper subscapular nerve. Upper subscapular nerve. And L for lower subscapular nerve, and T for thoracic dorsal nerve, and R for radial nerve, and A for axillary nerve. And when we talk about the nerves which originate from roots, that is dorsal scapular. This is from root value of C5, and the most important nerve which have roots in C5, C6, C7, that is long thoracic nerve. So this is all about the brachial plexus. We will discuss much about brachial plexus in coming videos. So I hope you enjoyed that and you have learned all aspects of brachial plexus which we discussed. Have a nice time. See you soon. Allah.